Welcome to my new listing in Burlingame. We're at 129 Occidental Avenue in Burlingame Park. This is one of the prettiest streets in Burlingame, as you can see. Very, very close to downtown Burlingame. Well, let me show you around. Follow me. As you walk into this beautiful house, you have a lovely foyer. And to your right is a formal living room with a lot of windows. Perfect for entertaining. And views on the street. And off of the formal living room is an office. Beautiful office. And here is the dining room, the formal dining room. Again, lots of windows, beautiful light fixtures. And of course the kitchen, huge, with great high-end appliances, as you can see. And off the kitchen is the family room. And here is a breakfast nook, which is just the most beautiful thing ever. To sit, have meals with the family, or even do homework with the kids. What I love about this house is the possibilities of inside and outside living. Right off of the family room is a gorgeous backyard, huge. Really pretty patio. The landscaping is amazing. Wisteria, lemon trees, olive trees, a water fountain, and a 2-car garage as well, with an attic for storage. And let's go back inside. Let's take a look at the bedrooms located upstairs. So upstairs there are 4 bedrooms. 2 bathrooms, a really nice spacious hallway, and here's the first bedroom. You can see very pretty, with a really nice big window. Second bedroom, again, big windows, lots of sunshine. This is the bathroom, full bathroom. Third bedroom, with again the big windows, lots of sunshine. And then the master bedroom. Coffered ceilings. Beautiful balcony that looks onto the backyard. There's also a fireplace and a spa-like bathroom. The shower, bathtub, double sinks, beautiful tile work. And of course, a walk-in closet. Really big. A dream. And finally, a part of the house that most people say is their favorite part of the house, surprisingly, is the finished basement. So this is no usual finished basement. It's really beautiful. It has a full bedroom see, and a full bathroom. Right there. And a nice sitting area. And ta-da! Beautiful, huge wine cellar with original tiles used throughout the house, and especially in the patio outside. So this house has been on the market only for a few days and is getting a ton of attention. If you'd like to look at it or if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Bye.